Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can insert make a flow chart in Google Docs. So go to insert and go to drawing instead and press new. It is a little bit tedious, I must say. So add in like shapes. I'm just going to add like 4. You can add any shape that you want, of course. Let's add this one as well. And let's add another one of this one. Actually, let's add like a circle. Then you're just going to select this and just add in some arrows. Like that. Then you're going to add in text box and you're going to type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in A, B, C, and D. Just gonna place that. Can I not place it in the middle? Yes, I can. And let's do there, so it's in the middle. Copy and paste that, and I'm just going to place it down here. Then I'm going to change the text. Copy and paste it again, and I'm going to place it here. And then maybe like B1. Then I'm going to select these, and you can also change the color of them like so. Save and close, and that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!